Alright, so I did a load, left some keys in my pocket, keys got out, got down here in the grommet, and I'll show you there's quite a few little ones, but I'll show you the big one. Basically it was ripped from there to there, and then down here, so there's a big hole there. I didn't want to pay the $70, $80, $90 for a new grommet, so I did research on what kind of epoxy or glue to use to fix it, and I wasn't happy with any of what I found. So for many years I'd played with different epoxies and glues. I have another, this is some of them. Anyways, these are like just general epoxy, multi-purpose. Generally you have two types for plastics. One is a welder, which shouldn't be used on polyethylene or polypropylene products. I forget what they are, I have to look them up. And that's the welder, it shouldn't be used with those. And it has like an acetone, which really eats away plastic, so it sort of melts them together, and then it has a binder. This one doesn't have that acetone like solvent in it, so it doesn't melt the plastics. It's a bonder. For this application, I haven't yet tried this one, vinyl, fabric, and plastic flexible adhesive. I haven't tried it. Don't know how it works. But what I used was a super glue, 4 hours, Anchor-Tite Waterproof Epoxy. It seems like they've discontinued it. The part is 15206. 15206. And that's what I used. And so far it's been a week. Well, maybe 2 weeks. We have 3 people in the house who use it, so it gets used quite often. Someone's in the dryer there. But so far, it looks like the day I put it on. I let it set for, it takes a week to set, but it takes, I guess 1 day to harden. And so I took it out and let it sit for 24 hours and then installed it, and they started using it, and it's held up great. So 2 weeks, looks like the day I put it on. Very flexible too. And you won't have to take the grommet off to install it, I'm pretty sure. Just goop it on your hole or whatever really good, and putting it on one side should be sufficient. You don't have to go through the hassle of taking the whole thing apart. And from the research I did, the products other people used didn't seem to hold up that long. And that's that. Good luck.